Hey Y10s, here's another CAS tip on statistics. It's not a lot, but and I probably made this in one of the lesson videos already. It's in your textbook, so you can use that as well. But let's say we're doing this question here, and you want to find the mean, median, mode, and all that. You can actually do this really quickly. I'm just going to start a new again. Let's do new, and everything's all brand new again. So this time, at the menu button, you want to move towards the list and spreadsheets, which is this Excel-looking icon. So you go there, or alternatively, if you were in your calculator page, you could do Control Doc, and then you go Add List and Spreadsheet. Okay. So now you're in your list and spreadsheet. Let's put in our data. So we name column A. I don't know. Let's call it A. All right. I'll just call it A. And so when you enter the numbers, you got 5, 9, 4, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 7. 12, 2, 3, 5. You don't have to do it in order. Yeah, so it'll do it for you. So you've got all the numbers here. Okay, you typed all the numbers down. And what you do now is if you want to do a 5-number summary, so finding mean, median, and all that, you can actually go to Menu. Okay, and then you go to Statistics, Stat Calculations, so Menu for 1, and then one variable statistics, okay, because you only got one set of data. You're not measuring between two things. Yeah, so one variable statistics. If you click on that, number of lists, there's only one list that you're working with. This is column A, so press OK. And normally it's already got the A column there for you, or you can even click on the menu here and click A because you named it A. Well, I named it A, all right? And then they tell you that they'll put the result in column B. Okay, it'll be just in the next column. So if I press OK, you'll see that in column B, they spit it out for you. So remember, this is your mean. So the mean is whatever. Oh, I just realized my menu is in exact value. So that's why it's not in decimals. It's in a fraction. So if you want it in decimals, you should change your settings. So how you do it again is Doc, Settings, Document Settings, and then just under calculation mode, change that to Auto or Approximate. Okay, and if you do approximate, it will definitely be in decimals. So now it's all in decimals. So now you know the mean, just from looking at that, the mean is 5.53846. Okay, so I'll just take a print screenshot of this. Let's put it here. And remember, to get there, to do this 5-number summary, you went to Menu. And then you go to Statistics, number 4, Stat Calculations, number 1, and then one variable statistics. So Menu 4, 1, 1. Okay, so you want the one variable statistics. Okay, and that's let me just go back here. Okay, cool. And then underneath it, you can find standard deviation. So this is your standard deviation that you'll be working with, 2.66. Okay. This is a population standard deviation, which you can ignore for now. That's 2.66. That is your standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to 2.66506. Okay. And then number of items you have there. So clearly there are 13 numbers. That's what the N stands for. Maybe I'll screenshot that as well so that you can see. Actually, I'll screenshot it from, let me go from here. Okay. So you can see there's all this number summary for you. If I just copy paste it just underneath so you can see. So this is the mean. This is the standard deviation. This is your number of items, N. This is your minimum. That's your Q1. So you got Q1. This is your Q2, so median. And if you scroll down a bit further, you got Q3 and maximum as well. Okay, so if I just go down a bit so you can see all of it. Here we go. So in one data, you now got Q3 and you've got your max as well. It means that you can sketch a box plot as well. You can do that now as well. So how do you do it? Very easy. Control Doc to add a page, and you're going to go to Data and Statistics. Okay? Control, add a page, and then here, this is your set of data, right? So if you're on this set of data, you can do it again. Control, I'm going to say here, Control plus Doc, add on data and stats. And this is what it will look like. Not that one. You get this shape. And just on the bottom there, see on the x-axis, you want to put the data according to what you labeled in what column, and we called it column A before. Remember? So there I'm going to change it. I'm going to say I want column A to be there, and this is your dot plot. So it tells you that's your scale. It's a one variable scale, hence you only got an X value scale there. There's no Y value scale because we're only working with one set of data. And then if you want to change it to box plot, this is all you do. You go to menu, plot type, box plot. And there you go. And clearly there's an outlier over here. If you hover your mouse over there, maximum's 9, 6.5, 5 median, 3.5 Q1, minimum's Q2, and your outlier is 12. See that? So that helps you, just hovering your mouse over it, you can get all the data that you need from there. Now, you could have seen them here too. So median was 5. So yep, median's 5. Q3 6.5, and it is 6.5. Maximum is meant to be 12 because that is the maximum value there. But this is the one maximum without the outlier. So maximum is still 12. Minimum is 2, and we know it's 2 over here as well. Okay, so hopefully that will help you with sketching a box plot, working out Q1, Q2, Q3. That means you can find the range and you can find IQR much quicker as well. Okay, I hope that helps you in the journey of using a CAS. I know it's a rushed one, but I hope this is going to be supportive as you're doing some exam revision.